Say good morning, you guys. Look at my bug got wet. Oh. What's up, you guys? It is Azhia Beja, simply Azhia, whatever you may know me as. I am back today with another vlog. It is Sunday, May 13th, aka Mother's Day, and it is currently 8:53 in the morning. I was up really early today. I gave Ace a bath, as you guys probably seen in the intro clip, or it will be the intro clip. But I gave him a bath. Now I'm on my way to Petco, Safeway, and Sally. I don't even think Sally's open yet. They might be. I think they open at 9. It's like 8:50. Now I am just on the way to these few places so I can get a card, get some cards, get some flowers for my grandma. My grandmas are at church right now, so I'm trying to go and get everything while I can before they get there. So that's my goal. Yo, I am so hot. The last time I came to Sally's, they opened at 9 o'clock. So I'm like, it looks awful dark in there if they're about to open in like 5 minutes. Y'all, they don't open till 11. So now I done got all the way ready to get everything done so I could go back home and relax. And I still gotta come back out. I'm done. Why people gotta change their hours on me all of a sudden? All of a sudden, everybody wanna change their hours. Y'all, so my little trip to go get everything done early is canceled because everything doesn't open till 10:30 and it's barely 9:05. I have nowhere else to go. About to hit these people. Let me go to the Dollar Tree. Cause baby, good thing I'm here early because I know it's gonna be a whole bunch of people here later. What is this? Nothing. For a special grandma. Giving love and helping others. That's what grandmothers especially. Ooh, this one's mine. I found more of them. I found them. I'm gonna just get these two. Alright, so as y'all can see, I have 6 balloons in the back. I got one for each of the ladies that I'm like giving stuff for. Just something simple, you know, it's just a thought. And then I got this card for my great grandma. I got this card for my grandma. And then I got this one for Nate's mom. Just some sweet little gestures. I mean, it takes a lot more to, you know, give back to your mom. And, you know, one day I will be rich enough to do that. But until then, I'm just going to get in the bare minimum. And, you know, it makes them happy just knowing that you thought about them. So, yeah. So, I'm going to go get the flowers and rush home and get all that stuff. And I got the card. It says from me and Nate. I cannot see out the back. I can't see, so I didn't want to put them in here because I can't really see, but oh well. But yeah, the card I got for Nate's mom says both of our names on it, just because I know he's not gonna probably not gonna get up and go get something unless I go. So I was like, might as well kill 2 birds with 1 stone and just get it for both of us and get it out the way, you know. So now I'm gonna go into Safeway and pick up the flowers for my nanny, and then I'm gonna get her some lottery tickets. What I was gonna do was I was gonna wrap the lottery tickets around the roses, but you know they're kind of hard to do, so I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but we will see. mind you, I'm about to go into my job right now, so I'm gonna try to go in as slick as possible and be right out. Plus, I'm trying to get back to the house before they get there. That way. Let's see, where's the biggest one? It could be like a cute little surprise. So I didn't vlog in there because it was hectic, like over by the flower area. It was just a whole lot going on. And I was trying to like hurry up and get in and out because they're going to be home soon. So I want to get there, if not the same time before them. So I just hurried up, got what I wanted or needed. And now I'm heading to 7-Eleven to get the lottery tickets for my great grandma. So we are going to hurry up and get over there. Alright you guys, so I am back at home and I have already got everything ready. I just tied the balloons up against the door. If you guys can't tell, let me flip this light switch. So I put them up against the door, put one up against my nanny's door, and then I also put some up in this room as well because we have family visiting, and I was like, that's gonna be rude if I just get my nanny and my granny something, so I just got them on the balloons. So I just put the flowers and the card right there, and I'll just wait for them to come in and, you know, see it. So I'm excited. I love getting people stuff because I know, like, they're going to be happy because I'm always happy when people get me stuff. So, like, I'm super duper excited for them to walk in. They should be here any minute now. Watch this, y'all. Hi, Mama's bud. Hi. He'd be so happy to come in, y'all. Hi. See, I wasn't going long, was I? Look. I wasn't going long at all.
Azhia, you didn't have to. Woo! Where we going?
If you go and whatever you want. It got plenty on there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, my dad finally saw this tattoo. I've had it since December, and he hasn't seen it until today. So now he's mad. He'll get over it.
You'll see, stupid. I am. Okay.
There we go.
So now I'm with Azhia. She just picked me up.
Well, actually,
Okay.
I picked him up like 30 minutes ago. But what happened was I forgot the card for his mom at my house. We had to go back.
Dude, we finna get back.
This car's mad.
Look, what? Yeah.
I don't know why people be playing with me.
Us.
Got my Molly Brazy wig on now. Y'all not ready for me.
Bro, she swear her and Molly just been best friends since 01.
Actually, 2 years ago.
Oh, since 2 years ago? Go on this.
Before anybody was on her.
Oh, you're a number one supporter?
Yep.
You're supposed to turn right here.
Oh, I go turn the light like, oh. That's what I
That's
get.
that's what you get.
That's what I get for talking mess. The whole 3 of them just almost went down my throat.
Oh, but now we're going to Oak Ridge Mall to go shopping with my boo-boo. And, yeah, finna be broke.
Hey.
She over here drinking and driving, y'all. Please pray for us.
Oh. Water's so good.
That motherfucking Grey Goose, baby.
I don't mess with Arrowhead, bro. Shut the fuck up. Woo! Y'all gonna see a side of me today.
Yeah, she drinking, huh? Had to turn it up.
Yep. Turned 19, don't know how to act.
Man.
I hate when you do that. Why? Why y'all don't like it? Let me get it. Let me get it.
Watch out.
Okay.
She's so extra.
Hey, I'm stepping on. When it's 2 stores already, I already bought some stuff, some champion stuff like that. We got some matching shirts, so we could be like Corey and Carmen. I love me some Corey and Carmen, y'all. You think I'm playing? I love me some Corey and Carmen. I'm not even gonna lie. What you buying?
Do not have a small.
No,
We have a small and home.
Yeah. Come on, let me just go in there a little bit.
Yeah, you see it? Everything look nice. Yep.
You cold, man. He don't want to let me go in there because he think I'm
goes
gonna
to
spin.
Forever 21 too much. She go in there. We've been there for about an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes, and not buy one thing. She'll buy a shirt. Go in there and be like, and then catch an attitude with me talking about something. They don't got nothing here. like I forced her to go into Forever 21.
Shut up.
Get out from here.
Y'all, I don't know which ones to get. I'm really looking at these camel ones.
Alright, you get those? I'm gonna get those.
Alright. So right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Sound like a plan. Alright, what we done bought so far? You lucky I'm not taking you in there, because I really want to go.
Nah, we're not going today. We already went
Come on.
2 days
So
ago.
I done went bought some stuff.
Yo, she
a
got
cute
me
little
carrying
bag.
around this old pink bag looking all types of fruity. Like, what I look like? I just went in there and bought the whole store. I didn't know I was a bellman. I gotta carry all the bags.
What you trying to eat? These are nice. I'm not even gonna lie.
Hey, I'm about to come back for those
I like
next
these
week.
too. I need to go to my size. They're not gonna have my size. They got them right here. See if they got my size. I want some regular ones too, like some black and white ones.
It's wall so bright.
I know you can't see what color it is. It's like a bright. Leave my knees alone.
Let me see. Look at this. Let's turn around. Look at her knees, y'all. Whose knees do y'all know being like that? Come on, man.
I know lots of people.
Look at
think
them.
they're much.
She is not normal.
Yeah. How are you?
Good to you?
Good. Thank you. It's a bird stuck in the store.
Oh, and the swan stuff.
Oh, dang. The swan
Lo
stuff.
habían agarrado ahí, lo dejó ir. Es un dólar.
I wanted to fly again. Tell him. That's what they got him for.
Free jewelry.
You know the jewels that I used to get on my nails? They're from here.
Bro?
Yeah. Aww. The little feathers. My boy's having a rough day. He's having a cold, rough day, man. That's crazy. Things that happen at the mall with us, huh?
Man, look at that case. They got pens, cases, you know.
The whole nine.
$35?
SWAROVSKI.
Go back to my skating days. You guys understand? I used to be in her. Dang, I thought you was gonna have them on and some more.
Feel better now? Woo! Oh, did my phone drop? How my screen protector crack?
I didn't drop it. It's been in my pocket though.
Oh, so, ooh, my forehead is oily.
Oily?
Oily. Hating asses. I thought, like, who the heck is that? That thing is beat up. Dang. That's his cousin, if y'all didn't know. Damn, they always hear we here.
Yeah.
Always.
I was gonna drop all these bags.
Cause I'm thinking somebody hung. I was about to say, who? He was about to get beat up. Show off the tattoo. Show off the tattoo.
Oh, I swear I got a full sleeve. Damn, here she
I can't even show mine.
Here she goes.
I can't even show it. Oh, see now I'm listening. I'm hearing
Like-
noises. I didn't even get heck of stuff.
Still,
but-
when you spend money on yourself, it feel good.
Right, it feel
You want
good.
to show it all off.
Especially because I've been saving, so it's like I really haven't been buying nothing. Because anybody who knows me knows.
Can you spell Jalisco's?
Jaliscos.
Takatria.
Takatria. But anyways, because like I've been saving my money, so the fact that like my birthday came around, I went all out. I'm like, shoot, I don't care. He like this lighting. That's what
I
you
do.
like. He's sitting over here staring at himself. You feel me, shawty? Y'all see it? Stiff weave. Where? Where? We gotta check
Is this whole?
Oh, no, I don't know. FL Ola, I don't know. Look at the other one.
This one has nothing on it.
And that's probably mine, because mine shouldn't be that big. Where'd you get on yours?
Sardine, whole beans.
Okay, we'll just check it. This might be mine.
You check yours, because you check yours best.
Okay, well, I'm trying to. I'll put.
Okay, yeah. Don't.
Oh, they was going through the drive-thru. I'm sick.
Who?
I'm gonna just turn it.
Ooh, she finna park you legally. Hey, call the cops. Call the cops.
Alright. Let's see.
This might be mine, because I can feel the sour cream in it. It's cold. I want to eat this now.
Yeah, this mine. You did it right.
Then your lips look juicy.
Thank you. The last few times they didn't get my order right, and if I'm gonna be paying $25 for some damn burritos.
It was only 18.
Anyways.
I think.
I wish the community service officer would give me. You okay? You okay? I almost hit that Mercedes. I'm sorry. I was gonna go all the way down for no reason. Any cars coming?
I got a ride with a seatbelt on. You good?
Oh, okay, good. Make sure you can see you too. Oh, she waited on me.
Boom! Oh, shoot.
Ugh.
Dang, man. Oh, you cannot drive.
I can drive. Who passed their license test on the first try? Me. Who still don't got a license?
Bro, these bumps and sounds like California, man, I tell you.
I'm sick of you. He been putting 20s on 10s. Come on now. Come on now. Why did I get in this lane now?
How many times you can say now?
Come on now. Get your Riri lip gloss. This though, get your lips looking popping like this.
Look good.
Look good. Meow.
What's Cardi do?
Meow. Meow.
Meow.
Meow. Oh, krr. Oh, krr. I'm doing. I got good at doing it now.
Oh, krr.
Oh, krr. Krr. Oh, krr.
Oh, krr.
Oh, krr. Call us the pigeons. No, don't call us that, because we ain't no birds like all the rest of these people out here. That's how the song goes. That's how she sings. You never heard it? Never. You never. That's my country coming out of me, y'all.
She ain't got no lick of country, south, nothing in her.
My grandma's family is from Texas. My grandpa's family is from South Carolina.
South Carolina.
My mama's family is from Georgia.
Georgia.
Georgia. You're ugly. Woo! You take off keto. Let me just say that.
Stick to driving.
Wanna be a baller. Shot caller, 20-inch rims.
You know you got 16-inch rims on this thing.
Highway, get money to fly away. Got to get a better day. Better way, yeah.
Don't let her be no beatboxing. She said, doom.
Y'all be skipping through mine. Y'all don't even watch the full video, but that's alright. I got something for y'all.
Give us the views and just subscribe. That's all.
That's it. That's all I need. You just need to click on it for 10 seconds, boo, and you helping me out. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You in his hair, man.
What's wrong with me and my hair? If I paid $400 for this hair. Let me live.
You should have had me do it for you. You would have been popping.
I look a hot mess right now, y'all. If I let him do my hair. Boom, 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 boom. Go hard.
Oh, no.
Go harder, go harder, go hard. Whoa, go harder, go. Whoa.
Oh, that's where my mama worked right
Oh. She the manager of the apartments.
there. Yeah. So I run all this over here.
Come, robber. I'm just kidding.
Nah, if you do, I'm with you.
I'm just kidding. Don't do that.
She would be like, where you get all that from? I don't know.
They ain't even got no money up in there, so nice try. This lighting is popping.
For you, hold on.
Oh, turn.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, hey. Come a little closer. Stop right there. He's different.
He swear. I'm sick of him. We finna tear these burritos up. Yeah. Ooh, okay. See, he trying to trip me. I remember if you mess up my tattoo, I'm gonna beat you. Yeah, watch the ankles, P. This thing is hecka easy. Oh, we still didn't go to Walmart. We need to go get hangers.
We'll get them when we go to Starbucks.
Yeah, later, of course. Not right now.
Everything getting pushed back.
That's because we didn't out of energy now. Shoot. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. What is that?
It's my stuff.
My
We're gonna watch Black Panther.
We gonna finish it this time.
It's not
Because last
Panther
night
no more,
we
Panther.
did face mask and I fell asleep.
How you gonna fall asleep with the face mask on my pillows?
With the face mask on, mind you, it's like bright blue. I fell asleep with it on, and he had to pick me up, take me to the bathroom just to wash it off because I was not getting up. Like, it was serious.
Open it up. Who y'all know whose girlfriend got her own key to my house?
It's that serious, real. For real. It's smacking home. So good. Crazy because I was laying down, so I had my little hair wrapped up. But we just sat here waiting at the end of Black Panther to hear Paramedic just to find out it ain't even in the movie. Are you mad? Are you mad?
You see my face?
We really thought it was in there.
I was waiting.
So
I watched all the extras, damn near looked at everybody's name.
Everybody.
All the dang, what's the producers, the actors, the
whole 10-minute outro, basically.
Just to hear one thing.
Just to hear it. What song was it? We don't even know what song it was. It was just some whatever.
I'm sleeping.